Understanding deepest sympathy, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common but heartfelt phrase in English: deepest sympathy. This phrase is often used in emotionally sensitive situations, so it's important to understand not just its meaning, but also the context in which it is used. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English expressions, this video will help you understand and use the phrase, deepest sympathy, correctly. Deepest sympathy is a phrase used to express sorrow and compassion for someone who is grieving. The word, deepest, here signifies a profound level of feeling, suggesting that the sympathy being offered is very sincere and heartfelt. Sympathy refers to feelings of pity and sorrow for someone else's misfortune. Together, the phrase conveys a strong and sincere feeling of being sorry for someone else's loss or sadness. This phrase is most commonly used in condolence messages, such as during funerals, or in sympathy cards when someone has lost a loved one. It is a formal and respectful way to express your feelings. For example, you might write in a card, "Please accept my deepest sympathy for your loss." It's important to use this phrase in serious and sincere contexts. It's not suitable for casual or everyday situations. Understanding the cultural context is key. In many cultures, showing sympathy is a way of offering support and comfort. Using the phrase, deepest sympathy, shows that you are acknowledging someone's grief and offering your emotional support. Remember, this phrase is deeply emotional, so it should be used with genuine care and sensitivity. Sometimes, you might want to use different words to express the same sentiment. Phrases like, "My heartfelt condolences," "I'm sorry for your loss," or "thinking of you in these difficult times," are also commonly used. These phrases, like deepest sympathy, are ways to respectfully acknowledge someone's grief and show that you care. I hope this video helps you understand how to use and interpret deepest sympathy in English. Remember, it's a phrase that carries a lot of emotion and should be used in appropriate situations to express sincere condolences. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please feel free to share it with others who are learning English. Take care, and see you in the next video.